Pastor Jim here, along with Pastor Terry. Once again, a warm welcome to you. And we continue our series from The Chosen.
Right.
And this week is a very interesting week, being a witness to Jesus Christ, his life, death, and resurrection.
Yes.
Yeah, so, when we think of being a witness, we usually think of sharing our faith with other people. And there's a variety of different ways in which we can do that. Certainly, tools like the discipleship journey are effective ways of doing that. What are others?
Well, others would be just to use these little wooden crosses. Carry this in your pocket.
Yeah.
Gives you an opportunity to at least share a little bit about who Jesus is and what he did on the cross to pay for our sins.
Wearing a cross, so it's a conversation point. Maybe it begins a
My
discussion.
earrings.
Well,
I don't
whatever
have
it may
any.
be, you don't have any earrings. Whatever that may be,
Sure, right.
that prompts that discussion.
Right.
But of course, in order to do that, we have to remain connected to the vine of Jesus Christ. I mean, certainly to be grounded in his word, to be partaking of the sacraments, is Holy Communion.
Right. And you can't share something you don't know, right?
Absolutely. And to be in prayer. I mean, that's a critical element to be in preparation to do these kinds of things so that we can witness to others.
Yes.
We're going to discuss more about that this Sunday at Grace Celebration Lutheran Church, and we hope you can join us at 10 o'clock.